Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. I hope you are doing well. Today we are at Evoke Vegan Store and Cafe, Sainikpuri Hyderabad, a cafe which is special for its vegan food and products. But before we get in, a special teaser for you guys, so do watch it. So that's the teaser guys. Hope you people have loved it. Now let's get started. And here you go with the entrance of the store. Further, we need to proceed forward towards the cafe part. So that's how the beautiful setup of this cafe looks. Place which is very well maintained, and it's even a place which would totally mesmerize us. And the most important thing is the ambience, which will add a lot of value in order to attract visitors. One thing that I'm quite sure about this place is that people would love to spend some quality time with their friends and family members. And as you see, that's the place where drinks and desserts are made and served. On the other side, adjacent to the entrance part, there is a beautiful artwork done. Perfect place for taking some amazing photographs. And when it comes to dining, there are two options given. People can have it outside, and there is an AC hall for those who would like to have it inside. So now finally we are going to review the food. Me and my friend we decided to have some heavy meal. Starting with the ramen bowl and later on with the sizzler. Now what makes this ramen bowl so special? Well, I would say those unique ingredients. Now when it comes to taste, well, I would say it was amazing to have such food. Now, along with this, there are other dishes that one can try, like Mediterranean super bowl, Asian meal, coastal meal, vegan halim, japchae. Well, japchae is about a South Korean dish. The last one is Mexican sizzler, which you people are going to see next. And I'm pretty sure that you people are going to love it very much, as the presentation tells everything over here. And there you go. So this sizzler is a combination of Mexican style stir fried rice with pineapple salsa, oven roasted barbecue tofu, charred veggies, and hot bean curry. And when it comes to the taste, I would say it was fantastic to have such delicious food. That's a must if you're visiting this cafe. So overall, Evoke Vegan Cafe offers a wide range of varieties like pasta, mains, pizza, risotto, and even the artisanal burgers. And at last, but not the least, before we end, we are going to explore a wide range of vegan products. So let's explore. So that was a great day at Evoke Vegan Cafe, guys. If you have loved this video, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.